Hey guys, welcome back to another quick episode from AZScanners. Mark here from AZScanners. We're an Australian owned and operated business. We share an understanding as you, the vehicle owner, the information you may want to read, or as a professional workshop and requiring full diagnostic support, we offer a range of products that suit your needs. Products we offer at AZScanners come at a competitive rate. Some of the products we have on offer are small Bluetooth Wi-Fi devices that can be connected to your smartphone with the use of an app, through to handheld devices that allow diagnostic support, or through to our full diagnostic systems for professional workshops. Any vehicle manufactured 1995 and previous had an onboard diagnostic system 1, or OBD 1. The products we have on offer have the ability to actually connect to these vehicles and allow scanning of the engine control unit or reading live data of various systems. If you'd like more information or the price on each product, head over to our website and check them out. Thanks for tuning in and speak to you next time.